In this video, I'm going to show you how to knit mosaic color work with two colors in the round to make this beautiful chevron hat. I'll be using two colors of Lion Brand Woolies, which is number 4 worsted weight yarn. We'll be using color denim and light rose heather. We're going to start by casting on with US 9 or 5.5 millimeter knitting needles in the 16-inch circumference circular needle. And I'm going to start with denim for our color A and cast on 72 stitches. I'm going to use long tail cast on here, so with about 36 inches from the edge of my yarn, I'm going to start with a slip knot. That slip knot will count as my first stitch. Holding my working yarn in back and my tail in front, we'll grab a loop around our thumb and loop the loop from our index finger through the loop on our thumb and onto the needle. There's our second stitch. You want to do this for a total of 72 stitches. In a pinch, if you run out of yarn after doing a long tail cast on, you can always work the last few stitches with a cable cast on or a knit cast on. So what I'm going to do is insert my knitting needle in between the last two stitches for a cable cast on, or just in the front loop of the stitch for a knit cast on. Otherwise, it's virtually the same. We're going to insert our needle, pull a loop of the yarn through, and slide it on to the left hand needle. I was at 69 stitches, so I just need 3 more for my 72 stitch cast on. Okay, now that I have my 72 stitches cast on, I want to slide my stitches around the needle, making sure that I don't twist them and keeping them all in the same direction, meaning I have the live stitch on the outside and the cast on edge to the inside. See how you can see that ridge there? That's the cast on edge. You want to make sure that it's not twisted anywhere and that cast on edge is all in the same direction to the inside and our live stitch is on the outside. Okay, so we're going to turn our stitches over now. Make sure that cast on edge is all to the inside, live stitch is all to the outside. I'm going to add my stitch marker so I can remember where the beginning and end of my round is. And then I'm ready to join in the round. Round 1 is to knit 1, purl 1 all the way around. Okay, we've made it all the way around. I'm going to slide my stitch marker now onto my right hand needle. Whoops. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 1 of the brim. And we're going to continue repeating round 1 until the brim for rounds 2 through 10. Working knit 1, purl 1 all the way around and slipping the marker at the end of each round. This is what your work should look like at the end of round 10. Round 11 is the last round of our brim, and we're still going to be using color A. The repeat for this round is knit front and back into the first stitch, then knit 23. Knit front and back into the same stitch means we're going to knit into the front of the stitch like this. But before removing the stitch off the left-hand needle, we're going to knit into the back of it as well. So we're increasing. We're getting 2 stitches out of that 1 stitch, then knit 23. And then you want to repeat knit front and back, knit 23 all the way around. This completes our brim. At the end of round 11, you should have 75 stitches on your needles now. And now we're ready to begin our really beautiful, really fun mosaic colorwork stitch pattern using our color A and color B in the next section.